can't sit back and let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, 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 in it, shout it. I guess I back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. In it, shout it, 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 in it, shout it.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. Although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but it's lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be faking it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you want. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. Oh, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. You ain't gotta do it on the these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a best friend with her, take her back to VLLO. Got a 5 in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. Never keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all so shawty know to drop it low like a limo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. If we hop in the fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
You used to call me on my line. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that alarm lit. Like you know me one thing. I know when that alarm lit. Like you know me one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left off. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when the hotline blinks that you know me one thing. I know when the hotline blinks that you know me one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Hey, whoa, hey, yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to Stockholm, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the six, but there's no.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair and I'm reviewing this asymmetrical bob that I did cut myself. It's definitely giving boss vibes and it's just a nice little play on your typical bob, but it's very rare that I come on here with a bob and I think I'm gonna do these a little bit more often. Like, you can't go wrong with a bob. It's perfect for literally just about everything. And it's definitely grown woman vibes anytime you wear it. So now you guys have a perfect 360 look at the unit. And I like, once again, how I cut this hair. I think it looks so pretty. This is the back. I think I did a good job cutting the back without even looking. Like, I didn't even look in the back and I was cutting my hair. I just felt where it should be shorter and I just started cutting. And I did that. So you guys, this is all of the hair that I cut off. I love the cut that I did on this unit. When I first applied this unit, you guys saw like what it was looking like. It was pretty much just all the same length. I thought it was actually gonna come like this. I thought it would come with like one short side, one long side, but it actually came almost like the same length. So I went ahead and just cut it myself. Maybe that's just what I imagined in my head already. And then I did just like a little bit of extraness with the baby hairs, did like a little swoop here, and then just slick this side back like regular. I don't have anything going on this side, no baby hairs anywhere around the perimeter. It's just regular, degular, schmegula. So the quality of this hair is so beautiful, as you guys can see. So beautiful, so like stiff where, because it ain't stiff over here, okay? Our bob moves. And I like the fact that it's like a little, like it goes in an angle, but it's like a little curl almost at the end. Like, I just really like this look, and I thought it would be really cute because I haven't done like a bob in a really long time. I don't really do bobs like that. I don't really wear short hair. I used to wear short hair all the time, but I don't know, I just kind of fell in love with long hair over these past few years. But I am really loving this bob. It's so stylish and it's just It's a very powerful look. I feel like this is something that I would definitely wear in the office. Like if I still had an office job, with like a nice suit from Zara, you know, like a women's suit from Zara, this bob, like you're coming into work and you're just like, you're slaying. And it's still like cute, you know what I'm saying, because of the fun baby hairs. I feel like it's just stepping up the look just a little bit more, so I love that. Now, I'm not sure on the length for this unit, so I came back here just so you guys can get like a wider look of my hair and you guys can see how everything is. So this is what this side looks like. Like I said, I'm not sure on the length of this side, but I would say it's probably like a 14 on this side maybe, and this is definitely like an 8-inch on this side. I would say like an 8 to 14. It's like really, really short over here, especially in the back. I cut it really short in the very, very back. I do also like the density of this unit. I love how full this unit was. Like from the moment that I unboxed it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be the perfect unit for the cut that I wanna do, because it's so full, especially on this side, you know, because sometimes when you have bobs, like they can be very thin. I feel like they can skimp you on the hair, like the density. And as far as the lace on this unit, I know some of you guys probably wanna know, like, what did it melt like? Do you like how it melted? Now, as you guys may have noticed, in today's video, I didn't use my rapid strips that I normally use, and I decided to just use my blow dryer to melt my unit. I used a comb or like the back of like that razor to like help melt the lace, and I think it melted pretty good. Here's what it looks like on this side. Here's what it looks like down the center. You know, you can't really see anything, you know what I mean? I feel like it looks very natural. So I do like the lace on this unit, and I feel like they did a really good job with that, especially because I don't think that this was like HD lace or anything like that. I don't think this is anything special. I think it's just your regular medium brown lace, but I do like the fact that the lace is actually thin on this unit, so it's gonna melt a lot better. But on this side, I wish it just looked a little bit better, but it's still giving melted. And that's without putting sanding strips on. Like, you know, if I would have put my sanding strips on, it would have melted. But I think it did a pretty good job with that being said. So I do like the lace on this unit. There's no like harsh lines of demarcation anywhere. You know, the parts that are exposed, I feel like look very natural. The parts that I don't have baby hair still look very natural. I did a really good job with this cut, y'all. Like, I'm just trying to get into my creative bag. I'm trying to do like fun hairstyles. As y'all can see, I don't have my long nails anymore, so you guys can expect to see a lot of more fun hairstyles, because when I have long nails, it's a lot of stuff I can't do. When I have my nails done, I don't really want to color hair because I'm too worried about staining my nails and all of that. But right now I don't have my nails done, so I'm able to like play around a little bit more and get a little bit more creative. That's like my goal right now. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below for this unit along with all of the details to this hair. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNICE Hair, for sitting over this beautiful unit and sponsoring today's video. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by and watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.